Hey, so I don't know, like, do you feel groggy or bogged down after all the rich and sugary foods from the holidays? I don't know. Like, I know a lot of us want to like start the new year like feeling better, having more energy. And I just want to share that the good news is you don't have to go on a crash diet or go on and do an intense workout plan. It could be something as simple as cleaning house internally. So, our bodies are amazing self cleaning machines, but we're exposed to so much stuff now, more than ever, and our toxic load is higher. And so, our bodies have a really hard time keeping up. So, everything from like the air we breathe, the food we eat, the products we use on our skin, the stress we carry around, and take a look around you. Like everything we see, touch, or smell could potentially add to our body's daily cleanup job. So, when we think about cleaning our homes, what happens when we don't clean for a while? Things start piling up and everything gets really messy really quickly, right? And our bodies work the same way. Every single day, our bodies are working hard to keep us clean and healthy from the inside out. Our nose and our throat are like security guards stopping unwanted visitors. And then our gut is like a whole city of helpful workers called probiotics. Our liver and kidneys are like nature's most efficient filtering system. But a few discouraging statistics show the result of bodies full of toxins. We have 1 out of 5 married women trying to get pregnant for the first time struggling with infertility. Young adults, 18 to 25, are expected to be the sickest generation yet. And then we have 1 in 3 that have mental health problems. And as for a lot of our parents and grandparents over 60, most of them are juggling with multiple health problems. So, also, did you know that shower hour is often the most toxic time of our day? And that's when we are exposing ourselves to so many chemicals through our products like our shampoo, our soap, makeup, deodorant, lotion, toothpaste, hairspray, and the list goes on. On the average, women use about 12 personal care products daily, adding up to over 160 different chemicals. But the good news is, even though our bodies come equipped with an amazing cleanup crew, like our home, sometimes we have to do a little spring cleaning to kind of help our bodies out a little bit. So, I'm excited to share a super easy 30-day program that will give your body's cleaning crew the extra help it needs. And the good part, it won't keep you home from work feeling yucky. So, for a gentle, effective detox, I really recommend doTERRA's Cleanse and Restore Kit. I really love and trust these products because they are a science based company. They put their products through rigorous testing to safeguard against adulteration and contamination. And they're so transparent. I love how every single essential oil bottle will have a code on the bottom that you can check the third party test results of that batch online. Well, I love that kind of transparency because any company can say their oils are pure, but the problem is almost, well, I guess it's over 90% of the essential oils in the market now that test out to have contamination or adulteration, which is really horrible because, I mean, if we're using products, we want them to work for us, right? And we want them to cause not more harm, but actually have a beneficial effect on our body. And our cells know the difference. There's always side effects to synthetic ingredients. Well, doTERRA's commitment is to never pass essential oils that haven't tested out 100% pure every time. So another thing I love is that their products are responsibly sourced from all over the world. doTERRA empowers their farmers by eliminating the broker or middleman so they can pay their farmers what their oils are actually worth. This is especially empowering because over 2/3 of our products are sourced from very small farms in developing countries. So as doTERRA's motto states, doTERRA is truly committed to sourcing the best while helping the most. That is the heart of the company. So, okay, here's a little information about the products in this cleanse. These products will help wake up and stimulate your pathways of detoxification, like your liver, your kidneys, intestines, skin, and lungs. And good nutrition is absolutely critical during the cleanse, which is where VMG Plus comes in. So think of your body like a house under renovation. When you're doing deep cleaning or repair, you wouldn't want to remove all the supporting beams. And then during a body cleanse, those beams are like your body's nutritional support. You still need the vitamins and minerals and antioxidants to manage all those free radicals, and B vitamins will help transform those toxins into substances that can actually be eliminated effectively. So VMG Plus is an acronym that means vitamins, minerals, greens, and the plus stands for all the other goodness that's in it. So it is the ultimate all-in-one vitamin, and it's packed with over 90 science-backed ingredients, over 300 phytonutrients, premium whole food nutrients that include vitamins, minerals, fruits, vegetables, herbs, fermented berries. It's loaded with antioxidants, methylated B vitamins, doTERRA's CPTG essential oils, probiotics, and digestive enzymes. So for just $3 a day, you get everything you need. And it's organic, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, non-GMO, and it's completely free of anything artificial. So when you take this, it actually It really takes your nutrient absorption to the next level with its liposomal technology. It actually encases its nutrients in a protective lipid layer, and you get over 500% more absorption compared to other vitamins. So, no more expensive pee. These nutrients actually stay in your body to be used for over 8 hours. And thanks to its freeze dried powder form, VMG makes it really easy to digest, and it makes those superfoods and vitamins just so easy for your body to like absorb. The clinical trial revealed incredible results with this: a 43% reduction in inflammation, it reversed biological age by 2 years, and it skyrocketed the absorption rate, all in just taking it for 6 weeks. And I thought, about mold, that's a problem. People have this a lot in their homes. And I thought about this quote, and I thought it was interesting. Dr. Ian says you detox mold using antioxidants, and that's why your mold protocol isn't working, hasn't worked, and never will work. You need to flood your body with minerals and nutrients, and you need super high potency antioxidants. Well, that's what you get with the VMG. The next part of the cleanse is the E Omega Plus. So, heart disease is still the leading cause of death in the United States, and the risk is reduced by 30% by simply increasing your omega 3s. A deficiency in omega 3 is one of the greatest predictors of things like diabetes and dementia. And the higher a person's omega levels are, the lower the risk of death from anything. I think that's pretty incredible. Well, E Omega Plus is actually a game-changing omega supplement combining sustainably sourced wild-caught fish. That's the kind of fish you want, is a wild-caught, from the nutrient-rich Nordic Sea. This is like where some of the most pristine, beautiful waters in the world are. And it's got, and also they can trace each fish back to its original source. So they know exactly what kind of fish is in this and where it came from. And then they've added the essential oil to that. So it's packed with 2,000 milligrams of fish oil per serving. And that includes 800 milligrams of EPA and DHA. And clinical studies show that E Omega Plus actually significantly reduces your resting heart rate by 16% and your blood pressure by 42%. Amazing. So the addition of wild orange keeps everything from going bad or rancid. Those fish oils are going to stay fresh because of the wild orange in that. And it makes the supplement actually taste good. So you can actually open these and you can actually chew them. I don't know. I know that sounds really weird to be able to like taste your fish oil, but it actually tastes good. I've tried it because I have a hard time swallowing pills. I don't know if you do too, but I love it because when you have the VMG Plus as your morning juice drink, and these omega soft gels, you have a better option if you have trouble swallowing pills. Also, a little side note, if you have found the NSAIDs like aspirin or ibuprofen are helping with your pain, I was listening to an herbalist and he said that fish oil will work instead 99.9% of the time. So take your omega, it's great for pain. So another one that's in this, this cleanse is actually your probiotic. It's your PB Restore. This is a groundbreaking patented time-release probiotic with billions of active cultures, which include probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, and bacteriophages. So all these together help crowd out all the harmful bacteria. In fact, I don't know if you know what bacteriophages are, but they are good viruses. There's a such thing as a good virus. Who knew? That target and kill bad bacteria. And then you have the prebiotics, which is actually food for the probiotics. So you want to feed all that good bacteria. And then you got postbiotics, and those are the byproduct of the probiotics, and they help maintain the integrity of your gut lining, which helps prevent leaky gut and helps reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. So PB Restore will help get you more nutrients out of your food, help balance your gut microbiome, and help repair your gut. Can't live without that. These are actually a daily probiotic. Especially like if you've been on antibiotics at all, ever in your life, even if it was years ago or as a kid, it takes a long time to like build back that good microbiome. And they say it takes 6 months at least at the minimum. And most people don't take a probiotic after they have those antibiotics. So these are so great because they're a daily probiotic. You can start replenishing that good bacteria. The next thing is the Terrazyme. I love these. So Terrazyme is a blend of enzymes to help break down and digest food better. It actually liquefies the food you eat. So you will get a lot more nutrition from every meal you eat, and it helps with indigestion, bloating, skin issues, migraines. Testimonies are endless on these. And take one before every meal, and it's a powerful way to support digestion. Another quote from Dr. Ian that I thought was really good for in regards to like daily nutrition. Always start with a foundation of nutrition and gut health. If you haven't given your body the opportunity to show you what it can do once it's properly nourished, you'll end up spending a ton of money and a lot of time with practitioners trying to solve issues that won't resolve, simply because your gut health isn't good and your body is not being properly nourished. So we know that gut health is like it's like a make it or break it. You have to have good health, gut health, to be able to be healthy. Okay, so moving on to some of our detox heroes. Our bodies are waste making machines, and most of us are never taught about detoxification pathways or even understand when our bodies are crying out for help. Most of us just try to manage all of our symptoms with over the counters, but this only suppresses the very toxins our bodies are trying to get rid of. Chronic suppression of acute symptoms leads to chronic disease. So, back to the cleaning house analogy. So the trash in our homes doesn't usually go straight to the curb, right? So we usually move it from the bathroom or the kitchen to the big bin in the garage, and then finally out to the curb on trash day. Well, our bodies work the same way. Each room or part of the body dumps its waste into its body's chimneys for elimination. And thankfully, this usually happens multiple times a day, but sometimes we get backed up. And most of the time, we don't realize our mood or sleep issues, our skin rashes, our digestive, our respiratory issues happen because the trash is not going out. So, lemon oil is one of the things in this kit that I love. And I use this in my water every day. But my friend, she always says, "You had me at lemon." And I love that because I added 1 drop of lemon to her cold water and she loved it. And with that, we became the best of friends. So, you never know. But you can simply add a few drops of lemon to your water every day for a delicious way to kickstart your body's natural cleansing process. And also, lemon oil is rich in D-limonene, which stimulates glutathione production, the master antioxidant, which helps detoxify your cells, every cell in your body, and it helps combat oxidative stress. So pretty amazing. And then we also have 2 that look really similar. They're called Zendicrine. There's an oil too, but it tastes horrible. So if you get the Zendicrine oil, just roll it on. Make a roll ball and roll it wherever you need it, like roll it over your liver or whatever. But these are, here's the essential oil version and here's the herbal version. So I'm going to talk about the herbal version first. This one's called the Zendicrine Detoxification Complex. And it is a capsule, and it's an incredible herbal binder that helps eliminate toxins from your body. So it is in a capsule form. And then you have the Zendicrine soft gels. And so these are a soft gel, and they have essential oils that are powerful for helping to detox your organs. Now, I will tell you that the herbal version is a little more gentle than the essential oil version. So the soft gels are going to be a lot more potent and powerful. So if you are very toxic or if you have an autoimmune issue, like I might start with this and then take these and just see how you feel. But anyway, I love these. They're so great. I generally use the herbal ones, and then I like the Zendicrine roller ball. But I'm going to try this month because we're on this cleanse. And so I haven't tried these in a while. Okay, so GX Assist. This is a GI cleansing formula that with a powerful blend of essential oils that help create an unfriendly environment for the bad bacteria in your gut. It basically helps kind of clean out your whole digestive system. These are so amazing. And I'm telling you, like, this cleanse should not keep you home from work feeling yucky. That's what's so great about it. If you start to feel a little bit yucky or maybe feel like you're slightly feeling a little fluish, just back off for a day or two until your body catches up. If you're not eliminating well, then you want to like take it a little slower. Try to get your body eliminating properly first. So if that's the case, just back it off a little bit and then get back to it. So you'll be glad you did. The last thing that's in this Cleanse and Restore kit is your DDR Prime. This is your DNA blend, damaged DNA repair blend. It's a superhero blend of essential oils known for their cellular support. It helps repair damaged cells and fight inflammation. It is literally a hidden gem with doTERRA. It's amazing. It's one of the best essential oils you can use. I like to actually get the oil version too. And I like to put it like with castor oil and use a castor oil pack for things that I feel like it might be a problem. This is amazing. And then also, I'm excited to share that we actually have an amazing opportunity to work with Dr. Andrew Gough. He's a board certified ER physician who specialized training in like nutrition and aromatic science. He has extended an invitation for us to join their community cleanse. So they're providing amazing support, recipes, prizes, etc. So you want to be sure and get into that. It is like $9.99 to get into their platform. So worth it. They're giving away amazing products. They're giving away even like a journal that's like 400 pages long where you can keep track of all your daily things with recipes and tips and things like that. It's incredible. Or you can buy it from Amazon even. They've actually got it for sale there now for like $13. So it's well worth it. And so you can kind of write down where you started and how you feel when you get started versus like as you go along. So anyway, if you have any questions about any of these products, please reach out. I would love to talk to you. I would like to sit down and chat with you if you want to. We can do it through a Zoom or a phone call about your specific health goals and how this program might help or other products. And anyway, I just want to let you know that your health is an investment, and sometimes the simplest changes can make the biggest difference. So give it a try. You'll love it. I think you'll feel really good. These products are incredible. I have faith that they're going to really change your life. So take care and Happy New Year.